Hey guys, Timo the Hobo here. I am here in Lanzarote and it's wild today. You will see at one point in the background there will just like water in the high. It's like very crazy. But yeah, this time I show you my hiking tour over El Hierro. Ah, there, have you seen it? El Hierro, it's a hiking paradise. I spent 5 days just hiking all over the island. I think I did about 40 to 50 kilometers and it has so beautiful landscapes and also so different ones. The highest point, Pico de Malpaso, the view up there was amazing. It was very windy though. I also felt like I would be the only tourist, or like one of the only tourists on the whole island. In the whole 5 days of hiking I've met like 10 other people hiking around and a few people on their bikes. But yeah, it was super calm and peaceful and I found some very cool... It's going crazy back there. Yeah, I found some very cool sleeping spots and had like one of the best hikes ever. Then the first night when I arrived I had a very warm welcoming. I had a beautiful sunrise in the morning. Unfortunately my sleeping place was not very comfy. For the next time, if any of you need some recommendation for sleeping places in El Hierro, just let me know because I've made my experience now. Yeah, I think you should convince yourself what a hiking paradise El Hierro is. End of the stay I had also a very nice goodbye because the sunset on the last day in La Restinga, it was awesome. Also some birds were flying through and it looked super cool and I could even sleep on sand, so it was quite comfy. Yeah, I hope you liked the video. In the next video I will show you some hikes I did in Gran Canaria. I hiked with some friends to the highest point and we did some parts of the Camino de Santiago. So until next week, bye guys.